Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about the customer registration process. I will guide you through each steps that are required for the registration. Today's video is about the private client's registration process. Before we dive into the video, I would like to share about the types of customers we have in the A2Z AMC system. So basically, we have two types of customers. The first one is the lender, and the second one are the private clients. As you can see, we are on the landing page of the A2Z AMC. To just get started with the registration process, we need to click on the Get Started button or to click on Create an Account button. And it will navigate us to the registration page. So this is the first and basic step that is required for the registration. Here you have two options to fill the basic registration process. The first option is you can continue with your Google account, that is by clicking on the continue with Google, or you can manually insert the basic information such as the first name, last name, your email, and set a password and provide the password confirmation. I have filled in the basic details and set up a secure password. For password, it should be at least 8 characters. It should have one uppercase, one lowercase, a number, and a special characters. So it's a very strong password. You can move forward by clicking on Create Account. Now, this is the second step for the registration process. Here you need to provide the what role you are going to register in the A2Z AMC system. So as I told, we are going for the customer registration. We'll click on customer and I have to choose my customer type. So for this video, we are going to choose private clients. For the lenders, we have created another video. You can look into that video if you want to sign up for a lender. On the step 3, we need to provide in all the details that are required for the private client's registration process. This is where we need to add in all the details for the private clients, and these all you can see the one that have a red asterisk, that means they are mandatory. Without filling any of these, I can't move forward. So we need to provide in these details. First of all, I need to select the type of client. And any of these you can select from, or if it's not in any of these value, you can click on other. Then you need to select what type of services you are looking for as a private client. You need to select any of these values, or you can select multiple values, or you can, even if you have any other, you can click on other. Here you need to provide in your phone number, cell number, your client's address, private client address, the city, state, zip code, and the reason what is the reason for your service that you are requesting for service. And if you have any supporting documents, you can upload over here. I have filled in the dummy data, and you can, when you are satisfied with the details you have provided, you can click on the button continue. So this is the last step where you need to review your information that you have provided for the private clients. If you feel any of these details are incorrect or you have misspelled any of these, you can go back to edit and you can just edit any of these details. And if you are satisfied with the information you have provided, you can submit the application. And in future, if you want to change any of these details, if you have moved to some other place, you need to update your address, you can do it from your profile. When you are on the portal, you can move towards your profile from the menu bar, and then you can click on the details and you can change and update any of these details. Okay, as you can see on the screen now, it says that the account is under review, which means that the A2Z AMC operational admin will look into your appraisal, your application, and they will notify you once it is approved or rejected. So as you can see, it says check status or log out. You are basically log into the system, as for the first step of the registration. So you're logged in, so you can log out or you can check for status. Once the operational admin has approved or rejected your application request, so it will notify you on your email. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching.